Want to give your customers even more options? How about putting some things together with your soap? Like a soap dish, a little washcloth or soap bag. This wrapping system helps you put that together into a really neat package. Let's take the soap and dish and just place it in the plastic just like we did with the soap bar by itself. Here's a wrapped soap bar and a little soap saver bag. This makes a great little set. Let's put it this way. And we just seal them up again like we did with the soap bars. This way. Now let's do this soap dish one. All packaged up. Now you just seal it down with the heat gun. Makes a great little gift. It's ready to go. Here's the one with the little bag in it. Let's seal that up on the end there. And just shrink it down. Perfect. Ready to give.